Okay, back to the Tohu Tatau. So this is also part of this pathway of learning Tākina te kupu, remember? And this is about counting. So again, symbolism. So this type of symbol is just denoting units of 1,000, units of 100, units of tens, and cardinal numbers, which is just numbers, single digit numbers from 1 to 9. And we use this symbol, so again, you could actually, if you can visualize that symbol and then speak forward to that once you know where the units you're counting are. And in association with Te Reo Māori, we can get from 1 to 1,000 really quickly, okay? And we do it like this. So we've got tahi, 1, rua, 2, toru, 3, wha, 4, wha, kōrero mai. And remember my thumbs in, then rima, which is 5, okay? Now you simply turn your hand around and you've got 6, ono, whitu, 7, waru, whitu, 7, waru, 8, iwa, thaman, 9, te kau, 10, te kau. Ne? We'll go up to 12, te kau mā tahi, which is 11. So te kau's palm facing you, fingers together, te kau, mā, because remember that's our consonant for ma, tahi, 10 plus 1 is 11. Te kau mā rua, 10 plus 2 is 12, and so on. Te kau mā toru, 13, te kau mā wha, te kau mā rima. Why we focus on 1 to 12 is because when you're learning te reo, you don't want to overdo it, but 1 to 12 is going to come in helpful because we've got a clock over here, right? So the hours of 1 to 12. So when you want to say 1 o'clock, you'll say tahi, and then you'll say karaka. Why this? Because remember in our, if you've watched the consonants video, you'll know that k is this is our symbol for k, or cup, you know, like kapu, kip, k. So it also is the first letter of karaka, or clock, karaka. Kōrero mai, can you say that? Karaka? So now, if I do this symbol that's got the k, point my finger out, now I've got the long hand of the clock and the short hand plus the k. Now to go from 1 to 12 o'clock, it's real simple. How do we do it? Try and do that with me. Ko tahi karaka, 1 o'clock. Rua karaka, 2 o'clock. Toru karaka, 3 o'clock. Wha karaka, 4 o'clock. Rima karaka, 5 o'clock. Ono, remember facing you. Ono karaka, 6 o'clock. Whitu karaka, 7 o'clock. Waru karaka, 8 o'clock. Iwa karaka, 9 o'clock. Te kau karaka, 10 o'clock. Te kau mā tahi karaka, 11 o'clock. Te kau mā rua karaka, 12 o'clock. So these are start for us, 1 to 12. Remember how I was saying we were going to count to 10,000. Some of you are like, what? Especially if you're not a student and you're seeing this video, but let's do this. So we know how to count from 1 to 12. And so on, like 1 to 19 if you think about it. What about the tens, units of tens, which come up over here on this particular symbol, units of tens? What about, so we know 10 is 10, right? Te kau. 20, so we have 2 lots of 10, so that's rua te kau. What about 40? Wha te kau. 50, rima te kau. Let's go up to 90. Here's our sign for iwa, iwa te kau. Now we're at 90 already. 99, iwa te kau mā iwa. Palm facing you, 99. 9 tens plus 9. Try that again. Iwa te kau mā iwa. Okay? 99. Now we move to the third little notch on this tohu. Units of 100. So the word in 100 in Māori is rau. Rau. Kōrero mai, rau. Ka pai. So if we say 100, it's simple. So we simply do this. Ko tahi or tahi rau. Now remember my consonant sign for r, meaning the letter R. And then if we do that r sign with 3 fingers sticking out, your thumb and these 2 other fingers, that denotes the 3 numbers that are in units of hundreds. So 100, ko tahi rau. 500, rima rau. 600, ono rau. 900, iwa rau. 990, let's try that. Iwa rau. iwa te kau. So we've got 990, 999. Try that. Iwa rau, iwa te kau, and mā iwa. That's 999. So now we're up to 1,000 already, ne? So try this. Remember my sign for m. Now we've got this. 4 digits, and the word for 1,000 in Te Reo Māori is mano. So we're signifying m plus 4 digits, mano. So how do we do 2,000? Rua mano. 5,000? Rima mano. 6,000? Ono mano. 6,000 already. Here we go. 9,000. Remember, palm facing you. Iwa mano. Try that again. Iwa mano. 9,900. Iwa mano iwa rau. Ka pai. 9,990. Nearly there. Iwa mano iwa rau. Iwa te kau. And last but not least, 9,999. Here we go. Iwa mano iwa rau. Iwa te kau mā iwa. How easy was that? From 1 to 9,099 using this symbol. And then we can just basically put random numbers beneath that symbol, like 1,234 for instance. Kotahi mano, rua rau, toru te kau mā whā. There we go. Or back the other way, 9,876. So let's try that. 9,000. Iwa mano, 800. Waru rau, 70. Whitu te kau mā ono, 9,876, and so on. So once again, if you can see that symbol in front of you, visualize the numbers, you can pretty much count in Māori from 1 to 10,000 for starters, and again, we can go further than that, but we're talking about from levels 1 to 4 here. Ne? So first things first, go hard. Ngā mihi kia koutou.